G'day guys, Cory from Yamaha Marine Academy here. Today I'm at the beautiful Kyeemagh Boat Ramp, gateway to Botany Bay. I'm going to rate this ramp today and give you a few little tips on what I do and I don't like. I like the fact that it's got 4 ramps, it's got 2 wharfs either side of the ramp. So you've got launch and recovery with rope or launch and recovery from drive on, drive off, your option. It's got a beautiful little beach over the side there, so if you're not really sure about putting your boat onto a jetty, you can actually beach it on a nice little beach there. I like it's got a nice area to reverse straight back, nice straight back into the water, ample parking, great toilets. What I don't like is on the weekend it's chaos. Really popular spot, beautiful area. Through the week probably a bit quiet like it is now, but on the weekends it can be quite hectic. Yeah, so I don't think it matters too much about the tide that you're on. It's got a nice gradual slope into the water, really easy to launch and recover. Traction's not really a problem too much here for the cars getting in and out. The only thing I will be cautious of, the ramp does drop away on either side. So if you're using the side ramps, it's definitely going to drop away pretty quickly there. So just be mindful of that. All in all, I think this is probably 7 out of 10 boat ramp.